Hello everyone, and welcome to break 3738 for the 2020 Panini Elements Football Card Box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Wednesday, November 4th, 2020. It's 10:29 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:29 p.m. Central Time, and 7:29 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have G-Bar at 4 spots, Breck 4, Andy 2, E-Rock 1, C. Walker 1, AJ 1, Ron 3, Tito 1, Picks and Treasures 5, Decepticon 2, Matt M 2, Razzo 3, J-Sum 3 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams to the break. G-Bar on top, J-Sum bottom once, twice, 3 times 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7. Picks and Treasures on top, and Knee on the bottom. Picks and Treasures with the Cardinals, Breck with the Falcons, J-Sum Ravens, Decepticon Bills, Panthers, Picks and Treasures Bears, Bengals, Razzo with the Browns, Breck with the Cowboys, G-Barth Broncos, Ron Lions, E-Rock Packers, G-Barth with the Texans, J-Sum Colts, G-Barth Jaguars, Ron Chiefs, Andy Raiders, Ron with the Chargers, Picks and Treasures Rams, J-Sum Dolphins, Matt with the Vikings, AJ Patriots, Matt M Saints, Tito Giants, Picks and Treasures Jets, C. Walker Eagles, Breck Steelers, Razzo 49ers, Breck Seahawks, G-Barth with the Buccaneers, Razzo Titans, and last but not least, Andy's going to Washington. And Panini Origins 3741 is next. Alright, we're all sealed up. Every card will ship. Good luck. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. And here's our pack. Empty. One, two, three, four. Good luck, everybody. We're going to start with Henry Ruggs III, gold rookie for the Raiders. That's 90 out of 91. One down, 3 to go. We have Supercharged Philadelphia Eagles, 19 out of 199, Jalen Reagor jersey. Congrats, Philly. And up next we have Philadelphia again. We have 12 out of 35. That is Jalen Reagor. Again, rookie neon sign. So Eagles, you have 2 and 2 Jalen Reagors. Very nice. And last but not least, we have A gold rookie auto, Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Keyshawn Vaughn. 43 out of 79. Very nice. Let's go back through and see who's getting what. We'll start with Tampa. Tampa Bay Buccaneers, G. Barth. Congrats. Henry Ruggs the third, Raiders. Annie, congrats. And then last but not least, we have the Philadelphia Eagles, and you have 2 Jalen Raygors. Rookie neon signs, 12 out of 35, and Jalen Raygor jersey out of 199. And Philly, that is C. Walker. Congrats. And that was break 3738 for the 2020 Panini Elements football card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And then up next, we have 3741 for the 2020 Panini Origins football card box. Thanks.